Hello friends, welcome back to your YouTube channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow. The first stock is Adani Enterprises. So if you see, after a good up move in a very short period, it has been in a range for more than a month. If you see, almost 1.5 months, and now after a lot of time, if you see, it has closed about 300 level. So in tomorrow's market, if it stays positive and if it crosses at 311, we will tend to buy this. And with the small SL, I will also provide the entry and SL in the Telegram channel. So please do follow us on Telegram. From there, we'll plan this to buy, because as I told, it has been in a range from long while and now it is trying to break that range. So chances are that it can give a good move. Next stock is Apollo Hospitals. If you see, it has been a good up move from 1600 to around 2200. It has been a good up move with a small single negative candle at top. Now it has formed a big negative candle, kind of engulfing one. So the chances are that it might continue the momentum and it can at least give us the move till this 2030 level. So chances are that we'll sell this tomorrow with a strict SL, because if market reverses, it can give a big up move. So we have to plan it accordingly. So the next stock is BPCL. If you see, I think this was due to the news. This big candle was formed, and after that there was a halting candle. So in next session, if it breaks 350 level, it can give a quick 5 to 10 points in tomorrow's session. So we can plan this to sell because of the price action which it has made. If you see, it has tried to go up, and after that it got a rejection, and then it has made a small candle, and now chances are that it can break that and it can go even faster. Next one is Concor. So if you remember, I had given a sell on Concor on this date, on 22nd of September. So after that, but it opened gap up and stayed up, and then due to price action, we did not trade this because we did not get a proper sell entry here. But now if you see, this has broken this level and it has closed below it. So again, chances are that it continues the move, and if you see the next level, it can faces for nearby 345 to 340. So we can sell in tomorrow's session, so that if the continuation of move happens, we'll capture a good move here. Next stock is Mahindra and Mahindra. So Mahindra and Mahindra, if you see in smaller time frame, at 15 minutes time frame, it has made a small trend line, and whenever if you see it, it is opening up but it is coming down. It is opening up and but it is coming down. So that shows that there is a sell momentum. And if there is a sell momentum and if this trend line is broken, chances are that it can come sharply down and it can touch the 600 level. And if market supports and if market is negative, then this 600 level also can be broken. So we'll plan to sell this in tomorrow's session. So now the important question, how will we trade Nifty and Bank Nifty? So if we see Nifty, it has recovered after the fall. It has recovered almost 70%, if you see. And then chances are that now in tomorrow's session, I am little bearish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Reason, the fall which it has given, after that the recovery which has happened, it is little bit unexpected. And more than unexpected, there is a, if you see, there is a resistance from where it has formed. So based on that, what I will do, whenever it comes to the level wherein around 11,500 or 11,600, 11,600 is difficult, but 11,500, if it comes nearby 11,500, and whenever I see a negative candle formation or else a negative price action, what I will do, I will sell at that period of time if market opens gap up tomorrow. And what else, if it opens flat? If it opens flat, chances are that it will go up if market opens flat, because there is, if you see, after this gap up, there is a buying momentum. So chances are that it might go little up. But what if it opens gap down? So when it opens gap down, then we have to wait until it recovers, or if it comes and breaks this 3,100 level, sorry, 11,300 level. After that only we'll plan the trade, else we have to wait if we get a good sign on price action, right? Now if you see bank nifty, if in tomorrow's session, sorry, in yesterday's session, what we had discussed, that bank nifty we are little bullish and nifty we are bearish. I mean, comparatively, if market falls, chance of nifty falling more is higher and compared to bank nifty. So if you see, there was a bullish, huge bullish move in bank nifty previous day. Now if you see, bank nifty is near its very crucial zone, and if it opens nearby here and if it shows any negative price action, I will plan to sell. Now again, the planning is similar to nifty, but here the selling pressure which I will plan for bank nifty will be little less compared to bank nifty. So as I told, nifty, for me, nifty, it is little more bearish compared to bank nifty, so I will plan accordingly. uh, that's it for this video. Please follow us on Instagram and Telegram to get the inputs on entry and exit. Also, do like the video if you have understood what we have explained, and please share to your friends so that everyone learns and everyone grows. Thanks a lot for watching the video.